What's up, everyone? It's Eric again from Classic Wax Sports Cards. We've got two rack packs today of 1992-93 Series 2 basketball, Topps basketball. So we've got a chance at some Topps Golds. We've got a chance at maybe some Shaq, Jordan Beam Team. Let's see how we're going to open this. Probably should have got scissors, but I think we can do it without scissors. Yeah. So let's see the first cell. That's a good sign there. We got a John Stockton on the back. Let's see what we get on the front here. Clarence Witherspoon. Oh, that's weird. We get a Stockton there. Do we have double Stocktons in this pack? Put the Stockton aside there in the Sam Mitchell, Sean Rooks, Isaiah Morris draft pick. Got another draft pick here. We got Bryant Stith, Sarunas Marciulionis, another draft pick of John Barry. We got Chucky Brown, Sean Kemp. Oh, there we go. That's it, baby. That's the card we were looking for. Bang. Shaq draft pick. That bad boy is centered nice, too. We are going to just throw that right on there for your viewing pleasure. Robert Worden. So far, so good in this pack. And here we go. Here's the golds. Okay, so we got a Sean Rooks gold rookie. Ooh, X-Man, Xavier McDaniel. And this is nice here. This is a Stockton, the same card we got earlier right there. But this one is the Topps gold. So that's pretty sweet. We'll put that up there until we get something better. All right. Let's see what we can get out of the next cell here. I really should have. There we go. All right. Walter Palmer. Tim Perry. Got a Moses Malone 50-point club. We got a Dikembe Mutombo. That's a cool looking card. Doc Rivers, LeBradford Smith, Victor Alexander, John Williams, Mark Bryant, Horace Grant, Isaac Curtis, Bobby Phills, Danny Young. Now this one didn't have, the other one had three golds in it at the back end. This one had none. That's kind of weird. All right, last cell here. All right. Anthony Pollard. That's awesome that we pulled a Shaq in the first cell. That's freaking awesome. Rodney McRae. Here's a Nate McMillan 20 assist club. We'll set that aside, even though he's not necessarily a star. That's a cool card. Buck Johnson. Eddie Lee Wilkins. Gosh, these are all upside down. Stacey King. Terry Cummings. Oh, here we got a nice little Charles Barkley with the Phoenix Suns. J.R. Reed. Doc Rivers with the 20 assist club. David Wood. My God, these are really annoying me. Clyde Drexler. Followed up by a 50-point club, Clyde Drexler. Travis Mays and Tim Kempton. So that's not a bad. I mean, we got a Shaq, we got a gold rookie, and a nice little, or a gold Stockton. Let's get this other pack ripped open as quick as we can here. There we go. These are always the most difficult ones to open without scissors. All right, we got a Vernon Maxwell, Gerald Padilla. Gosh, we got a lot of these 20 assist clubs. Fat Lever, William Buford, Eric Anderson, Judd Bushler, Michael Sanders, Paul Pressey, Alex Blackwell, Avery Johnson. Got a lot of John Stocktons. That's the third John Stockton. 20-point club one there, or 20 assist club. Kiki Vandeweghe. We've got Jason Williams and Terry Davis and Dale Davis. All right, nothing spectacular in that one. It's always like one. It's never the same side on these. It's always one of the sides or the corners is like the easy one to pull. All right, another one of those. Moses Malone. Looks like we've seen this collation before. Dikembe Mutombo. Is this the one where we got the Shaq? Hopefully. I don't think it is, though. LeBradford Smith. Victor Alexander. John Williams. Mark Bryant. Horace Grant. Isaac Austin. Bobby Fills. We've definitely seen this collation. Danny Young. LaSalle Thompson. Walter Bond. Olden Polynice. And Gunders Vetra. I don't even remember Gunders Vetra. There are not many NBA players that I've never heard of, and he would be one of them. All right, let's see here. Last one, we got it. And all right, last pack. John Battle. Scotty Brooks. Ooh, there we go. Little Alonzo Mourning action for you. We'll go ahead and put him over the Stockton. Elmore Spencer. Tom Hammonds. Moreland Wiley. Brian Howard. Brad Lohaus. We got a LaFonso Ellis draft picks. A Walt Williams draft picks. A Dave Johnson draft pick. My man Bo Kimball. Shout out to Hank Gathers. And we got a couple golds here. So we got a Stephen Howard, James Edwards, and Sam Mitchell. Well, there you go, folks. Here's your hits. Couple, nothing major here. Just sort of, there's a Barkley. I think we got a Kemp there, Stockton. But this is your big card. Bang. Shaq, draft pick. And then you've got this Alonzo Mourning and this John Stockton gold card here. So thanks for checking us out. Stay tuned for more videos. And go check us out on ClassicWaxSportsCards.com. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.